Right, back again, doing another Squardle, which I think are probably the toughest ones of the ones to do. This is 21st of April. I'm going to start with a like, and if anybody who watches this could give me a like, that would be fantastic. Okay, I've got an I in the right place, but there. There's an I by there, there's an E across by there, there's an E at the bottom, so that E and that E could line up there. Right, so we'll go down, we'll do inner, inner lines, and we've got an N in the right place. There's another N across there. There's an E coming down by here. There could be an N by there. Could be an E by here. Could be an E by there. The only word I can think of off the top of my head at the moment, with a N by there and an E at the end is wince. Oh wow, that has got a lot of letters in it. There's a W across by here, which can't be by there. So it's going to have to be the first word or the last word. There's no E by there, otherwise I was thinking white, wine, whiny. Twing. Twice. No, it couldn't be twice. E-I-N. Swipe. No, it can't be swipe. Let's think of a word. Right, there's an I by here. Swipe. It's the only thing I can think of at the moment. S-W-I-P-E. Can't be swipe because of that. Oh, S-W-I. Actually, that could be swish, which would mean that would be hinge. That's not inner, but it's I-N. Chances are the other N being there. And, a pretty... There's an I going to be by here somewhere. There's E across there. There's an I across there. There's a C across there. Invest. No, can't be invest. Intent. No, that's too many letters as well. Inuit. Is that a word? No, it's not a word. In debt, in bet, in bet. Ingot, as in gold ingot. Oh, right, we've got one. We're going down here now. That is going to be hinge. Or it could be tinge. That could be swift. That could be tinge. Or it could be swish and hinge. Okay, we'll try tinge. T-I-N-G-E. Right, it's not tinge. So it's going to be hinge. That's going to be swish. So that's going to actually get two of them correct. Now I'm going to get that one correct and that one get it correct. So we're going to cross by here now. Begin. Oh no, the I would be, it would be, oh, there's an O. There's an O across by here, it's not Bavair. It could be Bavair or it could be Bavair. Bogan, Rogan, Stogan. Oh, if there's no Bavair, it'd be Organ. Organ. Organ's correct. So we've only got 2 left to do. One across the bottom has got a C in it, an I in it. The C, octi, or cutie. If it was cutie, oh, that could be stoic, because that's got to have an I in it as well. So it's going to be cutie and stoic, I think. Yes. Cutie. And we've got 1 left to do, which is going to be stoic. And that's done. 6 minutes 25. Pretty good for me for the Squardle. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.